Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best hairball solution is probably one of the most sought-after products for cat owners, as dealing with hairballs can be a messy and unpleasant experience for both pets and their humans, leading many to seek out effective remedies that can help reduce the frequency and severity of these common feline issues, ensuring a happier and healthier life for their furry companions. Number 5. Cat Respiratory Comfort Supplement. Is your cat experiencing sneezing, coughing, or general respiratory discomfort? Our natural supplement offers year-round support to help them breathe easier, no matter the season. Changing seasons can bring on cold-like symptoms for your feline friend. This formula works to address the root issues, providing relief from sneezing and watery eyes. We understand that some cats can be selective. That's why our gentle formula is odorless and tasteless, making it easy to administer even for the pickiest eaters. Crafted with nature in mind, our supplement is made from 100% natural, gluten-free, and non-GMO plants and cell salts. It's a homeopathic solution free from artificial additives. Give your cat the support they need without the fuss. These tiny, odorless, and tasteless pills blend easily into wet or dry food, making it a drama-free experience for everyone. Support your cat's respiratory wellness naturally. Help them enjoy clearer breathing and a better quality of life with our easy-to-use supplement. What we like. This supplement is crafted with natural, plant-based ingredients for year-round respiratory support. It's odorless and tasteless, making it ideal for even the pickiest eaters. If you have a cat that struggles with sneezing, coughing, or congestion and you're looking for a gentle, homeopathic solution, this is a great choice. What people say. For the first time in his life, he has no congestion. He is completely clear and so happy and healthy. This works great, and the best part, it is odor and taste free. I crushed the tabs and put in his wet food, oh he sees it all. This cleared it up significantly. I still add it once in a while since I have got it, if I notice a slight sniffle or cough start up. Number 4. Tomlyn Laxatone Catnip-Flavored Hairball Remedy Gel. Introducing a gentle hairball remedy designed specifically for your feline friend. This oral gel helps to eliminate and prevent uncomfortable fur balls. It comes in a range of tasty flavors that your cat will love. Administration is simple, just place a small amount on their nose or paws to encourage licking. This remedy works by lubricating ingested hair, allowing it to move smoothly through the digestive tract. It then passes naturally in your cat's stool. Our hairball gel is vet-formulated with essential lubricants like soybean oil. It also contains beneficial omega-3, -6, and -9 fatty acids for overall health. Ensure your cat stays comfortable and happy by addressing hairball issues effectively. This palatable gel makes it easy to provide the care they need. What we like. This oral gel is formulated with vet-approved lubricants to help hair move through your cat's digestive system. It comes in a palatable catnip flavor that most cats enjoy. If your cat experiences frequent hairballs and you need a tasty, easy-to-administer gel that encourages licking, this is the one to consider. What people say. It helps with hairballs and supports digestion, and I noticed an improvement in my cat's overall comfort. I give it to her in the morning every day, and she loves the tuna flavor so much she begs for it. I give this to her on a regular basis to make sure that the hairballs pass through her system and it works. Number 3. CatLax Hairball Solution for Cats, 2 ounces. Tired of hairballs? This solution helps to eliminate existing hairballs and prevent new ones from forming. It's designed to make your cat feel better. It not only tackles hairballs but also improves your cat's digestion. This means less upset stomach and reduced vomiting for your furry friend. Enriched with cod liver oil and vitamin E, it supports your cat's skin and coat health. Give them a shiny, healthy appearance. Our unique formula coats swallowed hair, allowing it to pass smoothly through their digestive system. It's a gentle way to manage hairballs. Even the pickiest eaters will enjoy this. Its palatable flavor makes it easy to administer, ensuring your cat gets the benefits they need. What we like. This product is designed to both eliminate and prevent hairballs, while also improving digestion and reducing vomiting. It contains beneficial cod liver oil and vitamin E for skin and coat health. If you're looking for a solution that tackles hairballs and also supports your cat's overall coat condition, this is a strong contender. What people say. In 2 days it came out. Still taking her to the vet for a checkup but helped her tremendously. She didn't mind the taste since I mixed it with wet food. Easy to use and great benefits. She was able to digest it and the ingredients seemed beneficial. She pooped out a chunk of her hair and she isn't nauseous at all. Hairballs were reduced significantly, and the ones that did form were much easier for my cat to pass comfortably. I also appreciate that it helps prevent future hairballs, especially during heavy shedding seasons when grooming alone just isn't enough. The tube is convenient and mess-free, and the recommended dosing instructions are simple to follow. This product helped my fur babies pass their hairballs. They enjoyed the flavor as well. When I gave it to them regularly, they coughed less frequently. Number 2. Temptations Indoor Care Chicken Cat Treats, 3-pack. Introducing Temptations Indoor Care, a delicious chicken-flavored treat designed for cats of all ages. Give your feline friend a taste they'll love. These treats are packed with essential nutrition. They contain a minimum of 30% crude protein to support your cat's health. We've also ensured a balanced formula with a minimum of 17% crude fats. This helps provide the energy your cat needs. Formulated for indoor cats, these treats have a maximum of 8.5% crude fiber. This supports their digestive well-being. Whether you have a kitten or a senior cat, these treats are suitable for felines of all life stages. They're the perfect way to show your love. This convenient pack of 3 ensures you'll always have their favorite treats on hand. Keep your cat happy and healthy with every bite. What we like. These are tasty chicken-flavored treats designed for cats of all ages. They are a convenient way to provide a little something extra for your feline friend. If you're looking for a simple, enjoyable treat that your cat will love, especially if they enjoy chicken flavors, these are a good option. What people say. These actually do seem to help keep things moving for him. It seems to contain enough hairball helper to keep things moving better for our big boys. Helps cats who are troubled by hairballs. Number 1. Basepaws Cat DNA Test Kit. Discover the comprehensive breed, health, and dental insights for your feline friend. Our kit provides accurate genetic information across 114 traits, making it easy to understand their unique makeup. Using our test is incredibly simple. Just collect a sample, register online, and mail it back with the included prepaid mailer. You'll receive a detailed report in just 4 to 6 weeks. Go beyond basic breed identification. Our advanced test distinguishes over 20 breeds and identifies more than 50 trait markers, offering the most scientifically advanced genetic insights available. Gain peace of mind by screening for over 60 health markers linked to 43 potential genetic diseases. Early detection allows you and your vet to stay ahead of health issues. Did you know most cats face oral health issues? Our unique report helps you proactively manage dental health, safeguarding against serious conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Join tens of thousands of happy pet parents and veterinarians who trust our insights. We provide actionable information to help you create the best care plan for your beloved companion. What we like. This is a comprehensive DNA test kit that provides insights into your cat's breed, health predispositions, and even an active oral health report. It's easy to use with a simple swab collection. If you are a curious pet parent who wants to understand your cat's genetic makeup, screen for potential health issues, and proactively manage their oral health, this kit offers unparalleled insights. What people say. The other information of what her makeup was, health concerns and more was very interesting to note, and I was able to share the file with her vet so they could see the list of concerns she might be more predisposed to. The test caught that she had the health risk for Wilson's disorder. Turns out she did have it. But caught very early with meds, she's going to be okay. It breaks down the different breeds of cats that makes up my cat's total genetic profile. The health report reassures me that my cat has no underlying genetic dispositions to a particular disease or oral issue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.